Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican steamed fish with Bammy. Please stick around and watch this video. First, you want to go ahead and wash the fish inside out. Remove all the scales and wash the fish. You want to wash it with some vinegar or lime to cut away the rawness of the fish. So now we're just going to go ahead and season because we already washed our fish. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Badia complete seasoning. And for who don't know what I'm talking about, is this seasoning Badia complete. Alright, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to season the fish inside out because you want the fish to have a lot of flavor. And I'm using 3 snapper fish. You can use whatever fish you want to use. So I'm just seasoning in this inside out. I'm going to use 1 pack of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use 1 pack of fish seasoning. One tablespoon of garlic powder. And I'm also going to use some black pepper. So this is nicely seasoned. We're going to preheat our oven on 360 degrees because we're going to put them into the oven to steam. I'm going to add some bell pepper. This is some tricolor bell pepper. You can use just 1 color if you only got 1 color. I'm going to add some pumpkin. This is about ½ pound of pumpkin. You can use more or you can use less pumpkin. The choice is really yours. So I'm just using about ½ pound of pumpkin. I'm using yellow, green, and red bell peppers. I'm using 1 whole onion chopped. You just want to spread this all over the fish because we're going to pop this into the oven and let everything steam. So we're adding the onion, we're adding the pumpkin, we're adding the bell peppers. And we're going to add some chopped carrot, and this is 3 carrots that I chopped. And I'm also going to add some corns or the baby corns to it because this can be a whole complete meal by itself. Okay, so we're just going to steam these into the oven. I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic that I crushed. I'm going to add some thyme. I'm adding some fresh thyme to it. I'm going to add 2 stalks of green onion, which is scallion. And I'm going to add Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using a piece of the Scotch bonnet pepper as I don't want this to be peppery, but I also want to add some spice, some heat to it, but I don't want it to be peppery that I can't eat it. And I'm also going to add some pimento berries. Gonna add my okra that I already washed and chopped. I'm gonna add my Irish, and you want your Irish to be nice and thin. You don't want to cut it too thick because you want this to cook evenly. And I'm also gonna add butter to it, and this is 1/4 cup of butter. You know, butter makes everything better, so we have to add some butter to it, and this is salted butter. All right. And this is gonna melt up all up in there when you put it in the oven. And I'm just gonna sprinkle the remainder of my fish seasoning on top like so. Bam, bam, bam. Now we're gonna pop this into the oven to bake for at least 30 to 45 minutes until the vegetables are nice and tender and the fish is soft. So now we're just gonna pop this into the oven. Now we're gonna move on and prepare our bammies. You can soak this into milk, coconut milk, or water. So we're just gonna soak this for at least 20 seconds. And then we're gonna cut them up and put them into the oven. You can deep fry them, you can steam them, but I'm gonna put them into the oven. Now we're gonna cut them into sizes and shape that we would like. So you can cut them like this. And I have a video upload already on how I fried my bammy. But now I'm just gonna bake these into the oven. We're just gonna put them onto our baking sheet like this. You want to grease the baking sheet, and you can also cut them into 4s like this. So you can cut them into sticks and you can cut them into quarters like this. Simple and easy. And we're gonna bake these until they're nice and golden and also have a little crisp to them. Now we're gonna pop these into the oven. And here you have it, guys, my Jamaican steamed fish and bammy. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoy watching this video. And also leave me a comment down below. And what is your favorite fish recipe and what you would like for me to make next in my next video. Look at my lovely fried bammy, guys. These are looking good. And this is smelling amazing. Now I'm just gonna plate this up and do a taste test for you guys to see. Oh my goodness. Now it's time to do the taste test. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And look at my delicious snapper fish. Oh my goodness. Gonna get some okra. So flavorful, and the vegetables are nice and crunchy. Now we're gonna taste the bammy. This is so good. I'm telling you, the bammy is nice and crispy. It's better to do it in the oven than to do it in the oil. The oil is much faster, but the oven is more healthier.